I was asked to review the Haier HRF 663 CJB freestanding American fridge freezer in black. The dimensions for this are 177 centimetres in height, 89 centimetres in width, and the dimension is 70 centimetres. As you can see, it's a large black freezer. It has plenty of fridge space. And 2 large drawers. And this is the freezer. This here is the ice cube tray. You can lift off and slide back in quite easily. The only problem we found is if you've got a large family, there's not a lot of freezer space. There is, however, 2 drawers. And in the door, there's 3 tilting baskets, which make it easier for things to be taken out. This is the temperature control here. I don't know if you can see it. You've got the option of freeze temperature, so you can raise the freeze temperature. You can lock it. As you can see there, which means it locks it at a certain temperature. There's quick freeze, which means if a child's left it open, and obviously you need to get the temperature back up. Refrigerator temperature, which it won't let me change now I've got it on lock, as you can see, which means children won't be able to mess with it. And then this is the water dispenser and the ice dispenser. You can change it, take off the lock. You can see this little here, that means it's water dispenser's on. That's the ice dispenser. It means you want a lot of ice. The thing about this fridge freezer also is if you leave it open for a while, I'll just show you again round in here. These are the instructions for the ice maker. Will begin to beep shortly. See, it's a nice black shiny exterior. It's not beeping now. Oh, you can hear that beeping noise. That's just to let me know that the fridge and freezer are left open, which is brilliant with small children. I would recommend this fridge freezer, but like I do say, if you've got a large family, you may need to consider buying an extra freezer as there isn't much space. Thank you.